Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the classroom. Today we will learn about love animals. Memorize. Dear kids, look at the picture on the screen and answer the questions. Can you see a child in cage?
Yes, the child is sad.
How do you feel if you are in the cage?
I will not feel good in the cage.
Do you have any pet animal in your house?
Yes, I have a parrot.
Is he in the cage?
Yes, but now I will not keep him in the cage anymore.
How do you take care of it?
I daily provide fresh food, water, and also clean their cage. I love my parrot a lot.
Understand? Kids, look at the picture and name the animal.
Oh, it's a cat.
Do you like poems?
Yes.
Let's listen a poem about a cat.
My kitty cat is black and white. She sleeps all day and plays all night. At dawn she knows when to be fed and walks off my sleepy head. Once she finally gets her food, she soon adopts a happy mood. Lying in the chair she likes the best. She stretches out to take a rest.
Summarize. Do you know? Pets are animals that people keep mainly for enjoyment and companionship. Some pets also help or protect their owners. Pets need a lot of attention and care. Critical thinking. Make plurals of the words and separate which word make S sound and which make Z sound. Cat.
Cats.
What sound is this? S. Okay. Yes, cats is making S sound. Mug.
Mugs. Z.
Exactly. Mugs is making Z sound. Glove.
Gloves. This is also making Z sound.
Perfect. Glove is making Z sound. And the last one. Book.
Books. S.
Excellent, my dear kids. Books is making S sound. Now take your time and write some more words with Z and S sounds. Practice other similar words and make the difference. Kids, now we will do another activity. Let's underline capital letters and punctuation marks. Who will answer my question, kids? Why are you going to Islamabad?
I will, teacher. W is a capital word. And question mark is a punctuation mark in this sentence.
Next sentence is, this is my cat, Kitty. T and K is a capital word and comma and full stop is a punctuation mark. That's great, kids.